welcome to your walkthrough. Right here, I'm going to show you how to add your personalized cover page that will show right here. First, you're going to save your image to your camera roll on your iPad. In GoodNotes, click the plus button. Make sure the after button is clicked. Click image. Click your camera roll. Pick the image you want and it'll show up after that page. Touch the grid button, make sure it's there. Now click on the first page on the bottom arrow and touch move to trash. Click close and your page will show up immediately. You can swipe to check and it's right there. Continue with the content. Right here is your front page. The bottom right corner button will always link to this page. Next is going to be a little bit about me and how we became the Joyful Organizers, how my vision turned into my mission. On the next page, you're going to see the description of this productivity kit, our goals and objectives. The next page is about what's included, some tasks and steps that you will learn how to complete, as well as some extras like tutorials, Q&As, giveaway, and feature freebies. On this page, you have the visualize. Let's learn how to create an intentional vision board. Also, some categories to consider when making that vision board. Next, we're going to talk about planning our goals, how we're going to have SMART goals, and scheduling our action steps. Let's talk about the apps I recommend. The first one is going to be GoodNotes5. That's the app we're using right now. They also have a GoodNotes5 for Mac. I have not tried this one yet, but I've heard great reviews about it. Let me know if you're going to be digital planning on your computer instead of your iPad, so that way I can make a video for those who are using the Mac instead of the iPad. And I can tell you more about what I like. Next is going to be the Procreate app. That's more of an art studio. The way I use it is for either doodling, comic strips, or the stickers. It's a great way to write or learn with your pencil because the lines are very smooth. The next one is going to be Unsplash. I love using this one for my digital planning and my digital vision board. Down here, I left a little more information about them for you to read. The next page is my thank you to you. I share with you my goal and a little bit more about the giveaway. And at the end, you have the notes page where you can take some notes, do some doodles, write questions, or anything you want. Now let's go back to our front page. Just a quick reminder that the hyperlink at the bottom right corner is always going to bring you to this front page. Now let's talk about the visualization tab. Here you're going to find your vision board worksheet and your vision board tracker. Also your vision board template. In the worksheet, you're going to talk about the things you want to accomplish, and in the tracker, you're going to be talking about the goal dates. Here, you're going to be using it just as if you were using a paper vision board. I love doing the digital one because I bring it with me all the time and I keep myself motivated. I did a GoodNotes tutorial about how to add images to your planner. We'll leave it in the description down below, but I'll give you a mini tutorial. So first, you're going to click the image button. Click wherever you want the image to be. Click whatever image from your camera roll. Bring it to the place you want the image to be located. In this case, I touched the pen tool to write the word hi to show you that I can put it on top of an image. You can grab the lasso tool and delete. But if you're going to delete an image, make sure that the image button is on. Now let's talk about planning. Planning your goals is so important. That's why I gave you a little bit more information how to make SMART goals. Also provided you with a step-by-step guide on how to write effective goals. Now let's say you want to keep creating goals and you want to duplicate this page. Go to the grid icon, click duplicate. That way you can just write 1, 2, or more. You can also delete it afterwards if you don't need them anymore. Now let's go to the do. Let's schedule your action steps. Right here, I provided you with my Sunday checklist. This checklist may or may not be for you, but I wanted to share it with you because it has helped me create the most productive week ahead of time. A cool thing that we could do is keep track of this checklist. Maybe the first time you'll do 1, 2, 3, but towards the end of this month or next month, maybe you complete all 10. So you can grab the pen tool and you can check off all the tasks that you did that Sunday. In the same way we did the goals page, we can duplicate this page and continue using it until you get used to it and you're ready to commit to the joyful planner. You could also go back to your grid and delete any duplicated page. Now, let's go back and erase all the marks that we did. Let's unfavorite it. Okay, it's gone. Good. Now let's erase the little marks. And let's go back to our front page. And that's it, guys. All done.